Hello. Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm gonna do a slick bun for you guys. So what you're gonna need is water, leave-in, your oil, and a hairbrush, and gel, and your hair buns. So let's get into it. So first of all, I'm gonna wet my hair. My hair is freshly washed, so it has nothing in it yet. Then I will oil my scalp. I am using coconut oil. So now I'm sectioning my hair and applying leave-in onto every section. So my leave-in is water-based, so I am doing the LOC method. So after leave-in, I'm applying my coconut oil again, but now on my strands to seal in the moisture from my water-based leave-in and from the water that I had sprayed earlier. So now that we are done with that, I don't have cream, so I'm just going to use gel. So yeah, let the slicking begin. So I'm gonna section my hair. I'm gonna start with the back part first, just to make it easier because I have a lot of hair in the middle. So I don't really do much with the back part. I just brush it because it already has product, but I didn't add the gel because, well, it's the back part, no one really pays attention to it. So yeah, and it's mostly hidden. So now I will section my front part into two sections and work on each section. So there's gonna be a hairband for each section because well, this part of my head is thick, it has a lot of hair. So yeah. Now I am going in with the gel. I'm not applying too much because I also don't want product buildup. I want this style to last me a whole week without having to add anything onto it aside from water when I'm trying to refresh it. So make sure the gel is well spread so that you can have that sleek look. So now we brush it. I brush everything, even my edges. So now I will repeat the same steps on this other side. The gel and the slicking back and the brushing. And by the way, it is exhausting. Like, this is the most exhausting part of the style. My arms were super tired. But it was worth it. The style served its purpose. The reason why I love this slick bun thing is because it gives me a mature look, because I generally have a baby face and I'm really short and petite, so I can easily pass for a teen. So this hairstyle, if you're going through the same thing as me, it will definitely help you look more mature and classy, if that's what you want to go for. So yeah, you could try it. So this is what the style looks like after slicking it down. I really tried my best to slick it down, but you can still see the waves. But it looks cute. I like the waves, I don't mind them. So now I'm gonna attempt to do my edges. I'm really struggling with my edges. It's my edges they have a weird length. They're not long, they're not like adult hair, and they're also not too short that is easily manageable. They're in the middle. So I don't know how to deal with them, and if I don't deal with them, they look messy. But the messy look, it has its days. So now I don't want the big puff, so I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller to make it look more elegant. So yeah, so this is the final this is the final look. Yes, so you guys let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you'll try it, if it's worth it, if it makes me look mature, in the comments, because I really do like it and I'm gonna be doing it often. So I changed and added some jewelry and a cute sweater. So this is the final look, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.